sometimes he doesn't understand really well about English speaking. So when I joined him with local people, sometimes we confuse about his language because different. Yeah, he has Spanish language, Mr. Hafiz. Okay, Mr. Iwan. So we continue.
Yeah, okay.
Mr. Iwan, please read the second paragraph. So this is the country has been.
Okay, the country has been on high alert in recent days after two suicide bombers alleged IS extremist group blew themselves up at the church in Makassar on Sulawesi Island, wounding about 20 people. Blow
Yes,
themselves up.
this is Mr.
Police,
Iwan.
yeah, police outposts have been frequent target of the nation. Yeah,
Okay, so I will explain this paragraph, sir. Yeah, this is the country has been on high alert. Yeah, because this is in actually urgent matters. Yeah, the condition it's urgently. Yeah, this is in high alert. In a sense, in recent days after two, sorry, bombers. You understand, Mr. Iwan, what this? Two suicide bombers.
yes, yeah. To say bomber that's in Makassar and in police headquarters, national police headquarters.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, that's alleged members of a pro IS extremist groups. Yeah, IS is the Islamic extremist groups like that. And blew themselves, melukai diri mereka sendiri. This is blew themselves, the meaning is
yeah,
melukai diri mereka sendiri.
themselves
So
up.
because this is suicide, sir. Yes, up at the church in Makassar City on Sulawesi disease. Okay,
Yeah,
so Indonesia got the terrorism attack. The first in Makassar and the second in Jakarta. And this is the point also, Mr. Iwan,
yeah,
that the police outposts have been frequent targets of Indonesian extremists in the past. Yeah, this is the police outpost. Ini is the pos-pos
outpost.
polisi. Yes, telah
Oh,
menjadi
policy.
target yang sering kali. Frequency the meaning is sering. Telah menjadi target yang sering of Indonesia's extremists in the past. Dari
Yeah,
kelompok ekstrim Indonesia di masa lalu. This is for the past tense until now still same. And that the police or the police officer, maybe the terrorist has the revenge, dendam.
yeah. I
Or
think
sorry,
like that.
actually the terrorists,
I
they
think like
have
that.
the revenge to the police.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. Yeah.
I think
Okay.
it's the
So they always targeting.
targeting. Yeah, real war.
Yes. Yes. They always targeting to the police office like that. Yeah, or the police post. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, so okay, so we will now this, Mr. Iwan. So we will continue. Okay, this is Mr. Iwan. Can you hear my voice
Yeah.
for now?
Okay.
Okay.
I
Okay,
read.
so I will read this, Mr. Iwan.
Yeah. Okay.
I will read this. Okay, so we will discuss together what this paragraph. On Wednesday afternoon, the 25-year fail. You know Niqab face fail, Mr. Iwan. Niqab.
Makeup face fall berhijab.
Yes, sadar.
Berhijab.
Sadar, like that. Yeah, Niqab face fail, the
Cadar.
meaning
Cadar.
is
Yeah.
sadar. Yes, yes. So
Okay.
covered
Fail.
by
Makeup face
yes,
fail.
yes. Veil is a hijab.
Face
Yeah.
fail.
So niqab face veil, the meaning veil. The meaning is cadar. Niqab face veil, cadar. And a long black gown. Yeah. What is the meaning of this, Mr. Iwan? And a long black gown.
Lang black gown. Gaun.
Yes.
Panjang. Gaun panjang.
Yes. Yes. Excellent. Gaun hitam panjang. Yes. Entered the police complex in central Jakarta and opened fire on officer at the entrance. Authorities say. Yeah. So yeah, she suddenly came to the police headquarters in central Jakarta, Mr.
Yeah.
Iwan, and she shooting.
Yeah. The shotgun.
Yes. Yeah. So yeah, that's actually triggers, memancing, memicu, trigger the police shoot her dead, menembak dia mati, because she
Yeah.
shooting the gun, something like that. Okay, at the police entrance. Okay, I think you understood. So we continue again.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the image broadcast by local media. Yes, please.
Okay, image broadcast by local media showed the woman falls to the ground as shots rang out before lying motionless as police surrounded her body.
Yes, do you understand about this paragraph, Mr. Iwan?
Ya, the siaran dari lokal media lokal memperlihatkan bahwa wanita tersebut jatuh di halaman.
Yes.
What's the meaning shots rang out, sir?
This is as the meaning is sebagaimana. Sebagaimana tembakan, shot ya tembakan. Sebagaimana tembakan. This is the past tense of ring. Ya, ring, rang, rum. Ya, so this is berdering. Ya, berdering. Tembakan berdering atau menggelegar.
Berbunyi.
Rang, ya, ring is ya berdering. Berbunyi, excellent. Berbunyi. Okay. Ya. Okay. Sebagaimana tembakan berbunyi, sebelum.
Seiring dengan tembakan itu ya.
Yes, sir. Yes, excellent. Yeah, before lying is
sebelum polisi mengepung.
This is lying terbaring.
Ya.
Lying berbaring. Motionless tidak bergerak. Lying berbaring. Lying berbaring. Sir. Motion bergerak, but this is motionless. So the meaning is tidak bergerak. As sebagaimana police surrounded her body. Polisi mengelilingi tubuhnya. After the police shot her dead, so she lying, motion baring or tergeletak. And the police surrounded her body. This is the point also. Okay, do you understand, Mr. Iwan, about this paragraph? For now, sir, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so we continue again. Please read this paragraph. Okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah, she was alone. She was alone. Wolf. She was a lone wolf who supported the IS ideology, and this has been proven by her social media post. Chief of the National Police General Listio Sigit Prabowo told reporters Wednesday evening.
Yes, so she was a lone wolf. A lone wolf, the meaning is that the person this person working alone, bekerja dengan sendiri. Ya, bekerja alone. Sendiri.
Yeah, wolf.
Ya, lone wolf, the meaning is bekerja sendiri. Lone wolf. Ya. The meaning is bekerja sendirian, or bekerja sendiri. Yes.
Yeah.
Who supported the IS ideology? Ya, yang didukung dengan ideologi IS. And this is the Islamic sympathizers.
Jamaah Islam.
Yes, Jamaah Islam or the extremist groups of the Islam extremist group like that. Yes.
Yeah.
And this has been proven, dan ini telah dibuktikan by her social media posts. Chief of the National Police. What is the meaning of this, Mr. Iwan? Chief of the National Police.
Kepala, the head of National.
Yes.
Police, I think.
Excellent. Yes,
Chief,
because this is in the police headquarters. Yes, the police headquarters. So the meaning is the central police headquarters. Sigit Prabowo to reporters Wednesday evening. Okay, so Mr. Iwan understood about this. Okay, so I will read this paragraph, Mr. Iwan.
Okay.
Authorities said they had identified the woman as a university dropout who had left a suicide note at her family after the shootout. This is okay. Authorities said they have identified the woman as a university dropout. So actually, she dropped out from the university, like that, Mr. Iwan. She dropped out by her university. And then she also has the suicide note at her family home in Jakarta. Do you understand about the suicide note, Mr. Iwan? This is
who had left a suicide note at her family home.
Yes. Yes.
Who had left a suicide note?
Yes.
Catatan?
Catatan bunuh diri.
Catatan.
Yang telah meninggalkan.
Catatan
yang
bunuh
telah
diri.
Who had left. Yes. yang telah meninggalkan sebuah catatan budi di rumah keluarganya di Jakarta. Yes, di rumah keluarganya di Jakarta. Okay.
Di mana mereka?
Which they raided after the shootout.
Digrebek.
Ya.
Digrebek.
Raided, digrebek. Digrebek. Yes, excellent. Raided, the meaning is digrebek. Setelah penembakan.
Setelah penembakan.
Yes. So after police shot her dead, so the police raided the family, actually her family homes in Jakarta. Yeah, and she left a suicide note also. Okay, so you will get some new vocabularies also for this and got the knowledge. Yeah, so you also will get the knowledge about this. This is important also. Okay, I will read this paragraph. Black and writing about becoming a martyr on a recently created Instagram account. Prabowo is the chief of the police in headquarters in Jakarta. Okay, she had posted the IS flag. This is the IS flag, the Islamic sympathizer flag, and writing about becoming a martyr. What is the meaning of martyr, Mr. Iwan? This is
becoming a martyr. Martyr is the actor. I think actor.
Sahid. No, martyr is mati sahid.
Yeah.
Martyr is mati sahid. Mati sahid. Yes.
Oh.
Yes. She had posted the IS flag. Yeah. Dia telah memposting bendera Islamic sympathizer, ya, kelompok Islam teroris, about becoming, ya, dan menulis about becoming, tentang menjadi ya, a martyr, seorang yang syahid ya, pada yang diciptakan atau di post di akun Instagramnya, yang di post di akun Instagram,
yang ditulis,
yes,
dimuat,
yes, ya dimuat, ya created dimuat, ya, diciptakan atau dimuat, yes. Okay, yeah, so this is ya baru-baru ini recent. Okay, actually this is really extreme, sir. That someone actually they got the some like bids or offers, penawaran, offers, or something like appealing, yang menarik, appealing to someone, menarik ke seseorang, to get the martyr like that, to have martyr, untuk mati sahid.
Yeah, I think it is.
Baik,
suggested. It is suggested. Suggested.
Yes, suggested. Yes, excellent. That's the suggested. Yes, suggested. Yeah, by doing terrorism, and they will be the martyr, will becoming a martyr, akan menjadi seorang sahid. That's a really problem actually for the terrorism ideology.
Yeah, I think
especially in actually around the world.
I think always increase in the world. I think increasing growth.
Yes, growing also. Yes, this is growing. Yeah,
growing.
Yeah, growing. Yes,
I think
yes,
growing
around the world. Yes, yeah, they burn from one group, from any group, then to another groups, then to another, like that. Then they become big groups like that, and then they create the extreme groups, the IS or the Islamic extreme groups like that. Yeah, and they make the requirements for and for the groups, and the problem that we must understand about this. Okay, so little bit continue, Mr. Iwan. Mr. Iwan, can you please read this paragraph, Mr. Iwan? Authorities will probe this.
Okay. Authorities would probe whether the woman had links to Muslim majority Indonesia myriad extremist groups.
Yes. Okay. I will.
Would probe.
Yes.
Would probe. Maybe the meaning.
Memperkirakan.
Maybe the meaning. Memperkirakan. Yes.
Yes.
Would probe.
Memperkirakan.
Whether apakah wanita tersebut mempunyai kaitan dengan grup myriad. What's the myriad, sir?
Okay, Oke, apakah, sorry, whether, apakah
perempuan
yes,
apakah
barangkali the woman
barangkali
had linked to Muslims,
ya mempunyai hubungan
ya, ke
link
Muslim, yes,
majority Indonesian
majority Indonesians,
myriad
yes,
myriad the myriad saya myriad
marriage, marriage the meaning is so many, yeah, so many, yeah, marriage the meaning
so many
so many,
extreme
sangat
group
banyak, yes,
ya ya
ya sangat banyak extremist groups, yeah. Majority Indonesia's married extremist group, yeah. Mayoritas yang grup-grup ekstrim sangat banyak di Indonesia.
ya
Many in Indonesia. So marriage the meaning is so many. Okay. So a lot, yeah, a lot of extremist groups. Yeah. So they treat the terrorists. Yeah. These extremist groups treat the terrorists. Yeah. And yeah, always promote for the martyr like that. Okay. Okay, so yeah, martyr mati syahid. Okay. So we can see this, Mr. Iwan. Nation on edge. Edge the meaning is luas. Yeah. Edge the meaning is luas.
What's
Yeah. Okay, so edge the meaning is luas.
Nation
yeah.
on edge.
Yes, dalam skala yang luas. Okay, please read this paragraph, Mr. Iwan.
Okay, the country which has long struggled with attacks by Islamist militants, including the 2002 Bali bombings, has been on edge after the weekend cathedral attack.
Yes, do you understand about this, Mr. Iwan?
Negara yang
please.
The country atau negara kita ya, sudah
yes,
telah mengalami perjuangan panjang, which has long struggle with attack by Islamic military, ya, pasca terjadinya bom Bali tahun 2002 yang telah membuat yang telah meluas meluas ya setelah penyerangan di katedral minggu kemarin. Maybe like that, sir?
Yes, that's correct, Mr. Iwan. That's correct. Also, Mr. Iwan. Yes, I am appreciate as well about that. Yeah, excellent. So the country which has long struggled, yang telah berjuang, yang telah berjuang dalam waktu yang lama. Struggled is a struggling, berjuang. Yeah, so the past tense is a struggled with attacks, including the 2002 Bali bombing. Do you still remember about this, Mr. Iwan? 2002 Bali bombings.
Yeah. Bom Bali.
Yes, that also concerning. Memprihatinkan, concerning. Meaning is memprihatinkan. Yeah. After Bali bombing, yes, Bali, got and Bali became the lonely place, Mr. Iwan. Bali became the lonely place. Do you understand about the lonely place, Mr. Iwan?
Lonely place.
Yes. Tempat yang sepi.
Lonely place.
Yes. After Bali bombings. Yeah, this is after 2002 Bali bombings. Bali became the lonely place. Yeah, tempat yang sepi, Mr. Iwan. Lonely place.
Yeah.
And right. No tourism came to Bali this time. Yeah. Because tourism, they afraid visit to Bali. Because of this, and has been on edge after the weekend cathedral attack. Dan telah meluas, edge is luas, on edge it's luas, dan telah meluas after the weekend cathedral's attack. Setelah serangan gereja, cathedral is this is the actually the name of the church like that, cathedrals, gereja. Serangan gereja weekend, akhir pekan. Okay. Okay, I will read this paragraph, Mr. Ikhwan. Yeah, this is the
Okay.
age of this case. Ya, perluasan dari kasus ini. Oh, little bit continue, Mr. Ikhwan.
The edge of the scale.
A new, yes, please. Okay.
A newlywed couple who belong to pro-Islamic state extremist group Jamaah Ansarul Daulah atau GID
Yes.
was behind the cathedral blast. Police have said. A newlywed couple who belong to pro-Islamic
Yes.
state
You understand
extremist
about
group
this?
Jamaah
Yes.
Ansarul.
Yes. Okay. A newlywed couple. Okay, please. Yes, this is
What's that newlywed couple?
Newlywed is pengantin baru. Ya, newlywed wedding.
Oh ya.
Sebuah pasangan pengantin baru.
Oh ya,
Sebuah pasangan.
Sebuah atau ya sebuah pengantin baru yang adalah anggota pro-Islamic State ya.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Atau
excellent.
pengikut.
Ya, pengikut.
Extremist
Yes.
group.
Yes. Yes.
That called Jamaah Ansarul Daulah. GID is behind the cathedral blast. Berada di belakang kasus cathedral blast ya, atau bom. Itu
Yes,
kata
sir.
polisi. Police have said. Yes.
Yes.
That's correct,
Okay.
sir?
Yes, that's correct. Yeah, that's correct, sir. Yeah, was behind the cathedral blast. Ya, ledakan katedral.
Ya,
ledakan gereja. Police
Yeah.
have said. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's excellent. Who belongs to pro-Islamic states extremist group Jamaah Ansar Daulah or abbreviated, ya disingkat abbreviated GAD. Ya disingkat. Ya, was behind the cathedral, di belakang ledakan gereja atau di balik ya, or dalam
Yeah.
di balik ledakan gereja.
Yeah, I think that's
Kata polisi.
Yeah, I think.
Continue. I will read this paragraph, Mr. Iwan. More than a dozen others suspected in the plot have been arrested in recent days. Ya, lebih dari belasan yang lain. Ya, dozen is belasan yang lain. Others yang lainnya. Suspected in the plot. Ya. Dicurigai di plots, ya, dalam komplotan. Ya, plot is the komplotan, or telah ditangkap in recent days, dalam beberapa hari. In recent days, dalam beberapa hari.
Yeah, recent days.
Okay. Yes, in recent days. Okay, so the couple were member of an Islamic study suspect. Police said, yeah, I think you understood about this, Mr. Iwan. So I will not explain about this. Yeah. Yeah, the couple. So this is the meaning newlywed couple, ya, pasangan pengantin baru. Yeah, this is the couple were member of an Islam, anggota dari grup studi Islam. Ya,
kelompok studi Islam.
Yes, sir. Yeah, with several of other suspect. Ya, dengan beberapa yang dicurigai, kata polisi.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I will read one paragraph. This is Mr. Iwan. Sunday explosion at the main Catholic Cathedral. Congregants finished celebrating Palm Sunday, the first day of Holy Week in the run-up of Easter Sunday.
Yeah.
So this is the explosion, Sunday explosion. The main Katolik utama di Makassar. Took place, the meaning is terjadi, Mr. Iwan.
Yeah.
Took place, the meaning is terjadi.
Took place is lokasi kejadian gitu.
Yes, lokasi kejadian telah terjadi. Yes, take place dan took place like that. Yeah, this is past tense. Took. Okay. Just after congregants finished celebrating Palm Sunday.
Just after congregants finished celebrating Palm, ya. Setelah selesainya upacara itu
Yes.
ibadah.
Selesai. Yes, excellent. Yeah, the first day of Holy Weekend. Yeah, yeah, the
Holy
first
Week.
day of Holy Week. Yeah, in the run up to Easter Sunday. So because the Easter was yesterday, sir, Pascha.
Apa ya?
Sorry, actually was on Friday, yeah, but they will celebrate the Easter on Sunday. Yeah, on Sunday yesterday. Yeah, so this is actually
Sunday.
1 week. Yeah, 1 week before. Yeah, the Easter. Yeah, the Easter. Easter is a Pascha.
1 week.
So 1 week before.
1 week, yeah.
Yeah. Yes. 1 week before, sir. Yes.
1 week,
before
yeah.
the Easter. Yes, sir. Yeah. So
Easter
this is
Sunday.
the attack was last week. Yeah, on Sunday. Yeah. In Makassar had the terrorism attack. Then after that on Wednesday, yeah, 3 days after, yeah, in Jakarta, in the police headquarters also had the attack of the
On
terrorism
Wednesday. On
action.
Wednesday.
Yes, on Wednesday.
Yeah, I think it's
last week. Yeah. Yeah, this is like a closer like that, berdekatan, closer,
yeah.
close.
Yeah.
It's the terrorism attack. Okay, so
It's
continue.
likely.
Yes. Okay, so continue, Mr. Iwan. So we will have the conclusion after this.
The
Okay,
yeah,
please.
the attack came after the arrest of dozens of suspected militants in recent months by Indonesian counter-terror squad.
Okay. Okay, so you understand about this paragraph, Mr. Iwan?
The attack came after the arrest of dozens of suspect militants in recent months by Indonesia. I think in Makassar is the arrest of the GAD, I think.
Oh,
GAD.
Okay.
Yeah,
Actually, the
several
headquarters.
months before.
Oh, the headquarters.
Yeah,
did you
several
mean?
months.
Okay, the headquarters of
no.
GAD. Okay, so
No, I mean after arrest of dozen suspect militants.
yes.
Itu terjadi di Makassar beberapa bulan sebelumnya.
Oh,
sebelum kejadian.
Understood.
That's
Understood.
I think.
Yes, sir. Yes, I also got the news a few months before. Yeah.
Yeah.
The attack came after the arrest of dozens of suspected militants. Yes, probably 2 months. Yeah, 2 months ago, probably.
Yeah.
January.
Maybe.
Yeah.
2 months.
Yes. Yeah, I also saw that news from the Jakarta Post. Yeah, on January.
Yeah.
Actually, in January. But
January.
yeah, I didn't have the class to discuss about that, Mr. Iwan. Yeah, actually, I would make that news as the trending news that we would discuss in the class, in the English class. Yeah. But I denied. Actually, not denied, but delay like that. So postponed. I postponed that.
Yeah.
Because that news about terrorism.
Oh, yeah.
And I was afraid if that news would becoming something scary like that, or something terrifying, yang menakutkan, because that's about terrorism. So I avoid that news. Yeah. I ignore that news.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah, but this is fact. Yeah, the real terrorism after that. Yeah, the real terrorism. Yeah, after this.
Yeah.
After dozen arrests. Yeah.
After this.
Of suspected militant. In the 6 months. Yeah. Yes.
Months,
by Indonesia's counter-terror.
By Indonesian counter-terror, maybe the Densus. Yeah. Densus maybe.
Densus. Yes, Densus. Yeah, counter-terror.
Counter-terror. Yeah.
Is Densus. Yeah, anti-terror.
Squad.
Counter-terror. Yeah. Squad. Okay. Okay, so I will read this paragraph, Mr. Iwan. Indonesia's security force regularly arrest suspected militants, and attacks have often been low level, and have targeted domestic security force. Okay. So Indonesia Security Force, ya, petugas KDN Army. This is the force security, the security force like that, police and the army, and also the force security, petugas keamanan. Regularly arrest suspected, ya, regularly, ya, secara regular, secara rutin, arrest suspected, ya, menangkap, ya,
militan,
arrest suspected, ya, menangkap curigai, suspected yang dicurigai, and attack, dan ya serangan-serangan, attacks, serangan-serangan have been low, ya, have often been low, ya, telah berkurang, ya, level tingkatnya telah berkurang, because the Indonesian Security Force, ya, Densus, ya, or the police, ya, secara rutin menangkap militan-militan yang dicurigai. Do you understand about this, Mr. Iwan? Ya, menangkap militan kelompok yang dicurigai, ya, dan serangan-serangan teroris akhirnya tingkatnya berkurang. Actually the suspected militant arrested, ya, ya, kelompok teroris yang dicurigai sudah ditangkap sehingga tingkat terorisme di Indonesia berkurang.
Iya.
And have targeted, dan telah ditargetkan,
sudah
ditargetkan domestic security force.
Domestic target.
Ya, petugas keamanan domestik, for example the police. Ya, yang teroris itu menargetkan menyerang ke petugas-petugas keamanan, ke polisi, tentara, Densus,
yeah.
Yeah, so this is the point, Mr. Iwan. So that's why the police office always the target, yeah, of the terrorism, yeah, because their groups, yeah, always arrested, yeah. Karena kelompok mereka selalu ditangkap, yeah. Their suspected group always arrested
by the police.
So the terrorists, yeah, actually sedang the police. Yeah, they have, actually, repeats dendam like that. Yeah, to the police, yeah, because police always arrested their group like that. Okay.
Yeah.
I think you understand, very well. You know, but that so the terrorists always, targeting to the police. Okay, something like that. So continue.
Yeah.
Before Sunday, one of the countries. Okay, I will read this paragraph, Mr. Iwan. Okay, we change bergantian. Yeah, we changing. Before Sunday, one of the country's last major deadly attack was in 2018, when a dozen people were killed after a fire themselves up at the church during Sunday service in Indonesia's second biggest city, Surabaya. Yeah. Sebelum hari Minggu, so the meaning is Saturday. One of the country last major deadly attack. Ya, salah satu serangan mematikan, yang terakhir yang paling besar di Indonesia, yaitu di tahun 2018, di mana ketika a dozen people were killed, ketika belasan orang terbunuh setelah sebuah keluarga suicide bombers, bom bunuh diri. Sebuah keluarga melakukan bom bunuh diri, blow themselves, dan melukai diri mereka sendiri di gereja. Ya, selama pelayanan hari Minggu, pelayanan gereja di hari Minggu. Ya, di kota terbesar kedua di Indonesia, Surabaya. Surabaya is the second biggest city in Indonesia. Yes. The first is Jakarta and the second biggest city is Surabaya. Yes.
Surabaya.
The first is Jakarta and the second is Surabaya and the third is Medan. The third biggest city of Indonesia. Medan. Number 3. Yes. Okay, so Mr. Iwan, please read one paragraph.
Okay.
This is
the family including the family, yes, including 2 daughters aged 9 and 12 and another family of 5 which carried out the suicide bombing of a police headquarters all belong to the same Quran study group and were linked to GID, which has pledged allegiance to the so-called Islamic State.
Okay, Mr. Iwan. This is interesting to discuss.
Jadi
Yeah, this is the
satu
main point
keluarga
as
itu
well.
terdiri dari ya.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the main point of the terrorism, and this is okay, Mr. Iwan. I will little bit explain about this paragraph. This is actually interesting, Mr. Iwan. Yeah. So we will know
Okay.
about the main point of the terrorism. Yeah. This is the family, including 2 daughters. I think you understand what this, Mr. Iwan. Yeah. It's 9
Yeah.
and 12.
2 daughters.
Yes. Yes.
12,
And
yeah.
another family. Ya. Dan satu keluarga. Ya. Dan satu keluarga yang lain. Ya. Another is satu yang lain. Another, the
5.
meaning is satu yang lain.
Of 5.
Yes. Yeah,
Of
of
5.
5. Yeah. Yeah, 5 members. Ya. Dari 5
5
members. Dari 5 anggota. Anggota keluarga.
Suami istri dan
Yes.
okay.
Okay. Yes. And another family of 5. Yes.
Melakukan ya. Which so
Yes. Okay, with chariots ya, yang membawa. Ya, chariots ya, membawa. Chariots is membawa. Carry, membawa. Ya, yang membawa. Chariots membawa, sir. Carrying, membawa. Carry, membawa. Yes.
Okay.
With chariots out the suicide bombing. Do you understand what this, Mr. Iwan? With chariots out the suicide bombing. What's the meaning of this? The suicide
Yeah,
bombing?
I think the meaning is melakukan bom bunuh diri.
Yes, yang melakukan bom bunuh diri. The meaning, yes, that's with carrots out the suicide bombing.
Di kantor polisi.
Yes, di kantor polisi. Yes,
di kantor polisi.
Markas polisi. Okay. Yes, headquarters is the kantor or markas. Yes, all belongs to the same Quran.
Yeah,
semuanya
Quran study group.
Ya, semuanya belongs ya to the same Quran study group.
Semua.
Ya, and yes, please. Okay, Mr. Iwan. Okay.
Berafiliasi dengan JID.
Yes, excellent. Ya, all belongs ya, seluruhnya.
Berafiliasi.
Ya, berafiliasi to the same Quran study group. Ya, ke grup pembelajar Al-Quran. Ya, Quran is Al-Quran. And we're linked to JID. Ya, dan telah terhubung ke JID, jamaah.
Ansarud Daulah.
Ansarud Daulah.
Ansarud Daulah.
Okay, Ansarud Daulah. Yeah, because the terrorism attack, Mr. Ivan. This is the terrorism. Yeah. Why this is belong to the same Quran? Yeah. This is the main point is this actually, Mr. Iwan. This is belong to the same Quran. Yeah. Dikaitkan tentang
kelompok
Quran study group, ya, kelompok pembelajar Al-Quran atau kelompok pengkaji Al-Quran. Study is a pengkaji, ya, mengaji lagi, Mr. Iwan. Ya, Quran is Al-Quran, ya, because they got the wrong perspective. Ya, mereka punya perspektif yang salah, segi penglihatan yang salah, segi pengkajian yang salah. So they got the wrong perspective. Yeah, because in the Al-Quran, Mr. Iwan, in the Al-Quran, in the verses of the Al-Quran, the ayat Al-Quran, verse of the Al-Quran, not verse, but verse. We use we. Yeah, in the verse of the Al-Quran, has the something in a different time like that. Yeah, that's some happens that in the different times. Ya, suatu kejadian, beberapa kejadian di waktu yang berbeda. Ya, some happens in the different times. Ya, di waktu yang berbeda. For example, Mr. Iwan, I will explain what this little bit. For example, Musa. Ya, but in English is Mus, or
Musa. Prophet Musa.
Ya, the prophets of Musa. Ya, this is also mentioned in the Surah Al-Baqarah. Di Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 54, ya, ayat 54. Oke, saya akan sebutkan ayatnya. Saya
Yeah.
jelaskan sedikit dalam bahasa Indonesia. Ya, so you will understand about this little bit, Mr. Iwan. Ya, ayatnya berbunyi wa id qala Musa liqaumihi ya qaumi innakum dalamtum anfusakum bitiqadikumul ijla fatubu ila bariikum faqtulu anfusakum. This is faqtulu anfusakum, the meaning is bunuhlah dirimu. So the meaning is khairul lakum inda bariikum fataba alaikum innahu huwa tawwabur rahim. This is the ayat. Ini adalah ayat atau dalil yang digunakan oleh para teroris. Jadi waktu itu Nabi Musa itu bicara pada kaumnya. Wa itola Musa li qaumihi, ya qaumi, ya, wahai kaumku, innakum dalamtum. Ya, sesungguhnya kalian itu telah menganiaya anfusakum pada diri kalian. Ya, karena waktu itu Nabi Musa hijrah ke suatu tempat, Nabi Isa itu pergi selama 40 hari 40 malam. Nah, kemudian kaumnya ini kembali lagi menyembah kepada berhala. Ya, waktu itu menyembah kepada Musa Samiri, kepada berhala waktu itu. Kaumnya Nabi Musa itu ditinggalkan oleh Nabi Musa selama 40 hari, kaumnya udah berbuat syirik, kembali berbuat syirik menyembah kepada berhala. Nah, ketika Nabi Musa pulang dari 40 malam itu, akhirnya Nabi Musa ini sangat menyesal melihat kaumnya itu kembali berbuat syirik, menyekutukan Allah. Mereka menyembah lagi kepada berhala. Akhirnya turun ayat, ya. Nabi Musa bilang sama kaumnya, sesungguhnya kalian itu telah menganiaya pada diri kalian. Ya, maka bunuhlah diri kalian itu, faqatulu anfusakum, ya. Demikian itu lebih baik, inda bariikum fataba, sehingga demikian itu lebih baik dan Tuhan kalian akan mengampuni kalian. Ya, sesungguhnya innahu huwa tawwabur rahim, Tuhan kalian itu Maha Pengampun. Ya, maka kaumnya itu waktu itu melakukan apa ya, bunuh diri waktu itu. Tapi hanya saat itu saja, Mr. Iwan. Ya, hanya di Matisan itu ya, hanya kaumnya Nabi Musa yang berbuat syirik. Nah, waktu itu saja. Nah, ayatnya itu ada di surat Al-Baqarah ayat 54. Nah, itu ada asbabun nuzulnya, ada rincian hadisnya, Mr. Iwan. Nah, kalau kita nggak tahu hadisnya, hanya mengkaji Al-Quran saja, hanya itu saja yang dikaji, maka kita akan menjadi kelompok yang ekstrim. Ya, karena Al-Quran itu ada mansehnya, ada. Yes, ya. Manseh, ya, manseh kemudian mansuh seperti itu. Ya, harus diganti. Ya, karena ayat ini turunnya di saat ini. Yes, kejadiannya seperti ini. Nah, itu ketika seperti ini ya hanya itu saja, Mr. Iwan. Nah, dan itu tidak dibenarkan yang lain, tidak dibenarkan dalam waktu yang lain atau dalam kejadian yang lain. Bahkan membunuh itu adalah suatu dosa yang besar. Ya, kalau melakukan suatu pembunuhan, membunuh aja tidak boleh, apalagi kita bunuh diri seperti itu. Membunuh itu suatu dosa yang besar. Ya, ya. Jadi termasuk perkara yang besar adalah membunuh tanpa apa ya sebab yang jelas ya, bahwa membunuh itu adalah suatu dosa yang besar. Something like that, Mr. Iwan. Yeah. So in the Al-Quran sometimes has the ayat of the jungle, and we do not find any others anymore. Yeah, so we can eat pigs. Do you understand? Pig, Mr. Iwan, pig.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's
and that will be rightful. Yeah, rightful. Rightful is halal, and haram is forbidden. Forbidden is haram. Yeah, haram.
Forbidden. Oh,
dilarang. Yeah. Yeah. Pig actually forbidden. Ya, babi adalah dilarang, haram. Ya, haram. Ya, but ketika kita ya, but when we are in the jungle, ya, ketika kita di dalam hutan belantara, and do not find any other animal, dan kita tidak menemukan suatu binatang yang lain, ya, adanya cuma babi, pigs, kita dihalalkan makan babi itu. Ya, tapi hanya sekenyangan, hanya sampai kenyang aja. Dan babinya itu tidak boleh dibawa pulang, tidak boleh dimakan, kenyangan aja, ya, supaya kita bisa bertahan hidup. Ya, itu ayatnya di Al-Quran. Ya, karena membunuh itu atau bunuh itu adalah sesuatu yang besar. Ya, adalah sesuatu yang besar, suatu dosa yang besar. Jadi membunuh itu adalah suatu dosa yang besar. Ya, jadi that's the point, Mr. Iwan. So we must really understand of the dalam pengkajian Al-Quran. So we must read the Al-Quran, we must recite the Al-Quran, mengkaji, recite, tulisannya recite, R-I-C-I-T-E, recite, mengkaji, recite is mengkaji. So we must recite Al-Quran and also Sunnah. Yeah, al-hadis. Yeah. If we just trace it Al-Quran, so we can be teroris. Ya, kita bisa menjadi teroris. We ya
Yes.
can be teroris. Ya, kita bisa menjadi teroris because we just trace it di Al-Quran and Al-Hadis is the sunnah Rasulullah. Yeah, because the Rasulullah
Yes.
the Rasulullah figures, contoh-contoh Rasulullah, contoh diri Rasulullah, ya, the Rasulullah figures, and that's explained in the Al-Hadis, dijelaskan di dalam Al-Hadis, yeah, something like that. Actually, do you understand, Mr. Iwan? Do you understand about topic?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Okay, okay. I understand.
Yeah, this is also important, Mr.
Yes,
Iwan.
that's right.
Yeah. So Rasulullah always, Rasulullah said before his passed away, before Rasulullah passed away, Rasulullah said, itu amro ini wa anta maksakum ihima. Ya, jangan tinggalkan dua perkara ini, jangan tinggalkan dua perkara ini, ya, maka kalian tidak akan tersesat dengannya, ya, dengan agama Islam ini. Ya, kitabullah, kitabnya Allah atau Al-Quran, dan sunnahnya Rasul Shallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, yaitu Al-Hadis. Jadi selama kita tidak meninggalkan kedua ini, Al-Quran dan Al-Hadis, maka kita akan selamat. Penting pegangannya adalah Al-Quran dan Al-Hadis. Ya, that's the point, Mr. Iwan. When someone offer martyr, ya, mati syahid, offer martyr, mati syahid, ya, for example, like the verse Al-Baqarah ayat 54, and the surah Al-Baqarah verse 54, ayat 54. So we don't influence, ya, kita jangan terpengaruh. Ya, we don't be influenced. Kita jangan, ya, that verse already expired, sudah kadaluarsa. Ayat itu sudah kadaluarsa. Something like that. Yeah, because the different times, different moment. Okay, Mr. Iwan, we were discussing can you conclude this point, sir? Can you conclude this point of this trending news?
I figure out our country have to figure out how to make the terrorism is not
yes
with to make contra radicalism,
yes,
to the all people, all the like the Islamic group, like the Quran group, like that. Our ustaz
yes,
yeah, have to give the knowledge about the contra radicalism.
Excellent.
Yeah, to make the group of Jamaah Islamic not to become extremists.
Yes, sir, Mr. Iwan. That's
I
correct.
think
Yes, that's all. Yeah, that's the conclusion. Yeah, that's correct, Mr. Iwan.
Yes.
Excellent. Yeah, so many extremist groups in Indonesia, and so many terrorism groups, like this is, you can see, and this is
and the police and once again, sir,
yes,
and then our security force must more professional in carry out their tasks to serve the extremists. I think not. I don't. My opinion, the police not to straight should die the people like the woman. I mean, why the police must to kill?
Yes, that's
I
also
think the
good
police
opinion.
can to melumpuhkan saja, maksud saya melumpuhkan. What call in English saya melumpuhkan?
Crippling. I will write here, Mr. Iwan. Melumpuhkan is the crippling disease. Okay, I will write here. This is also important. Okay, I will write.
Yeah.
Okay, this is melumpuhkan is a crippling like this. Okay, so yeah, sometimes the connection is trouble.
Crippling.
Mr. Iwan, can you this is
Crippling.
crippling. The meaning is
Crip-
melumpuhkan.
Crip-
And crippled
Crippling.
dilumpuhkan.
Yeah.
Crippling dan crippled dilumpuhkan.
Yeah.
Dilumpuhkan. Yeah. For example, COVID-19 crippled the economy. Crippled the Indonesia economy. COVID-19 crippling the Indonesia's economy. Ya, melumpuhkan ekonomi Indonesia.
Crippling
Dan di ekonomi,
Oh
ya,
yeah.
di Indonesian economy crippled by the COVID-19. Ya, ekonomi Indonesia
Crippled.
dilumpuhkan ya, by the COVID-19. Ya, dilumpuhkan oleh COVID-19. Yeah, that's
right.
excellent, Mr. Ivan. Yeah, actually, the police must not shoot dead, the person. Yeah.
Shoot dead.
So
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Yes, sir. Yeah. So because the police is actually the force, or the security force. Yeah. So the police must not shoot dead the person. Yeah. The police must protect to the person. Yeah, to the civils. Masyarakat sipil, to the civil. Polisi harus protect, melindungi to the civil.
Protect.
To the public.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
If the police, actually, is melumpuhkan the terrorist, not shot dead, tidak shot dead. I guess shoot menembak.
Yes.
This is in the present and past tense shot. Shoot shot. Like that. This is Mr. Iwan. This is also important. Shoot. Yeah. This is present tense. Yeah. Shoot. Yeah. Then the past tense become shot. Yeah. So shoot shot. And the police shot dead. And also penembak jitu. Shoot shooter. Yeah. Shoot shooter. Shoot shooter is a penembak jitu. Shoot shooter, penembak jitu. And penembak tersembunyi, sniper. Penembak tersembunyi, sniper. Sniper is sniping, secara diam-diam. Yes, sniper from the sniping, secara diam-diam, secara sembunyi. As a sniper, sniping.
Sniping.
Snipe or mengincar. Sniper, penembak mengincar. Penembak tersembunyi. Penembak tersembunyi.
Sniper.
Tersembunyi, the meaning is mengincar. Mengincar. And shoot shooter, penembak jitu. This is the different meaning. Shoot shooter, the meaning is penembak jitu. Penembak jitu. So where is the shoot shooter? Di mana penembak jitu? Shoot shooter, penembak jitu. And sniper, penembak tersembunyi. So this is different, Mr. Iwan. So if you watch the sniper movie, like that, mereka selalu bersembunyi because they mengincar. Sniper is a snipe, mengincar. Sniper. And shoot shooter, penembak jitu. Snipe. 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 This is Mr. Iwan. Snipe. 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 Shot. Snipe shot. The meaning is a photo. Snipe shot. Sniping. Snipe. Snipe. Mengincar like this. Snipe. And snapshot, tembakan snap, atau foto. Snapshot ini is a photo. And this is the meaning in English. Okay, this is important. Okay, that's good from you, Mr. Iwan. Actually the police must not kill. The police only crippling to the terrorists. And that's much better. Akan jauh lebih baik. Okay, Mr. Iwan. So what else, Mr. Iwan? Ada lagi, Mr. Iwan? What else? Do you have additional, Mr. Iwan?
I think this is enough.
That's enough.
No, sir.
Okay.
It's enough for me.
Yes, that's enough. That's like that. And also the ustad, you said before, and that the ustad must give the knowledge when they receiving the Al-Quran. Mengkaji the Al-Quran. When they receiving the Al-Quran, so the ustad must give the knowledge. Something like that, and explain blah blah blah, with the al-hadith also, something like that. Okay, so Mr. Iwan, I think this enough. So because this is at 10:30 probably in your local time. This is almost midnight. So you are so tired because tomorrow morning you should have to start working in the morning tomorrow. Mr. Iwan. So yes, understood. So thank you, Mr. Iwan, for joining learning this evening. So see you again for next meeting.
Thank you very much,
Yes,
sir.
have a nice
Time.
evening, Mr. Imam. Yes,
Thank
you're
you.
welcome. Okay, take care.
See you later, sir.
Assalamualaikum. Okay.
Thank you.
Wow.
Waalaikumsalam.
Yes.